Right. Let's start discussing about lists. List is one of the most essential components in HTML or the websites. So lists are playing a vital role, including now, like it is just to, like as you can see, lists can be used to display items in an order or in an like in a bulleted mode or maybe in a numbered mode. You can display a set of items, and also you can create sub lists. All these things are possible, but the list are used for different tasks also. Example, lists are used for menus and sub menus. For an example, this menu can be a list. We can style this as a list. Here you can see the bird, file, edit, insert. All these menu items can be created as a list, and the sub menus where you can see under this can be other nested lists inside the particular list inside list. We call nested list, and let's see how we can do that. Today we will be learning about lists as well as another structural element in HTML, which is table. So already we have used HTML content and used to write down things downwards, one by one downwards. But with the use of tables, when we use tables, we can write content anywhere in the page, because the page can be ultimately divided into sections using tables. So we can write anywhere in the page, right, using these tables. So let's learn about them now. There are three types of lists available to you. So the first one is OL, so ordered list. The second one is UL, unordered list. And third one is DL, definition list. In here, the ordered list is basically set of items which are numbered. Which are numbered. Numbering can be done using 5 formats. The naturally or the default will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one will be A, B, C, D, E, F, that English capital letter numbering. The third one is Roman numbers. You can see these capital Roman numbers, I, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like simple Roman numbers with a simple I, and then the simple letters. These are the possible number formats. These are the possible number formats we can use for numbered list. Actually, we are using only 2 tags here. So very simple. OL is for ordered list. LI is for list item. So if you want to create this 1, 2, 3 list, it's very simple. You can include them using ordered list. As list items, you can mention car, van, bus, all these things. It's a very, very easy thing. Let's do the coding now and see how it works. To do that, I will be introducing you again the basic HTML there, HTML open and HTML close. Now I think you can do this super fast like me. I'm not super fast, more than basically faster than me. You can do this. I think that I'm super fast. Okay. Then title. Okay, so less than title. You can see title. Hello lists. Okay, so go to the body tag. There you can open body. Inside that you can include ordered list, OL, and the closing of OL, and inside that you can place the list items. Let's say list item. The first one is HTML. That's what we are going to learn here today. That list item is closed, then you can just copy paste them. Okay, just copy, paste. And the second thing that we are going to learn is about cascading style sheets, and then we are going to learn about JavaScript. Okay, let's save this. And after that, MySQL, PHP, different technologies like that, and Ajax. Let's save this in my documents. I'm going to save this as basic lists.html. Let's go and open it. Documents, and just go and open it. And this is the preview, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, the list items are there. So let's try it very quickly, and you can also try this example. So it's not this, not even this. So this is the code, and this is it, and this is the tutorial. Okay, try this one also, this ABC type of list. Actually, I'm starting from this has a different thing. That's why I want you to try this, because this is started with letter C, and you can see it's also simple letters. In order to do that, you have to change the type of list. As I said previously, the type of list you need to change. Here you can see the type, ordered list of type. There are 5 types, and here you need to change this to type A. And in order to start with letter C, you have to say start tree. Tree is ABC tree. Or if it is a numbered list, it is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. If it is lettered list, if it is like that, then 3, 4, 5 should be C, D, E. Okay, let's try this one and this one both and try to get the output. I will give the note after that. Okay, then let's proceed to the next, and this is unordered list this time. And okay, so just remember that you can anytime you can nest list inside another list. Like let's say you want to write subtopics about this ordered list. The first thing is about HTML, and you just need to write subtopics. Let's say HTML. Okay, I can include another ordered list and tell here. In this ordered list, I can include some other list items. I can see introduction. Then after that, sorry, list item. I can say lists. Basic tags, all these things can be included there. So likewise, you can include sublist. Like this is very simple. Ordered list, inside ordered list, another sublist. And sublist will get the number. You can see it's getting this number pattern, but you can, if you think that this list should be like, it should follow some other style, you can just go and say type of this, not just for the sublist, even for the main list, you can type. Type attribute is basically giving, you have a few types, let's say this Roman number, and you can see the Roman numbers appearing. And for this one also, you can change the type. That doesn't matter, right? Type is, let's say, capital letter A, and you can see it's a ABC type list. Likewise, anytime you can include any type, and also the starting position. If you want to start from letter D or something, or letter 27, so you can say start with 27. Start with 26 letters are there. So what is 27? 27 is double A. Because 26 letters are there in English alphabet. So what is 27? 27 is AA, 27, 28, 29, then AA, AB, AC, AD. Likewise, it's advanced. So this is also possible. Remember about this ordered list, and about the unordered list, it's the same. So except you don't have any numbering, instead of that, you can see the bullets or special symbols. These are called bullets. These bullets can be circle, disc, or square. The red color one is the default, right? Here also, I have not colored this, but this should be colored in red because it is the default. When type is not given, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 type of list. Here also, when type is not given, this is a disk type of, it will be disk type of, disk type of. You can write down this note also, and you can try the unordered list similarly. So I will give you 5 minutes, just write down and try unordered list too. So that is not a magic, it's very, very similar, it's similarly implemented, but definition list has some difference, but this unordered list is almost similar, but except the symbols, and you cannot define starting position because anything is given equal priority or equal recognition. But when there is no order, so it's just list item, just unordered list, no specific order. So it is unordered. every list item will give an equal recognition. So okay, try the unordered list also. Okay, the third one. Definition list. So definition list is a bit different from the other two because all these are having like ULLI. This one had OLLI, but this one is like DL. LI is not there. Instead of that, you have DD and DT, definition term and definition description. This is where it's like abbreviation, short terms. Those things can be added like this. And so anyway, you have two levels. So in the list, all previous list, it has only list item, but here there are two levels. Under the definition list, there are definition terms and explanations of that, definition descriptions. So that is the difference of definition list. If you want to type this kind of definition list, will give this kind of results, HTML, hypertext markup language, but it will not automatically give this, but you have to type. And you have to type and get this done. And when you type, definition list acts this way. It is also important type, and you can copy down that also. So with that, we can move to the nested part. Also, we have discussed that is super easy. Nested is basically you can nest anything, right? Nest anything means inside ordered list you can nest here. Inside ordered list you can nest unordered. Inside unordered you can list ordered, and you can start it different. I will give this as an exercise, but before that, so please complete this. Quickly write down, test this.